we did a quite extensive study of Ernst & Young, which indicates the potential of 2,000 new jobs in the area of the knowledge industry that we can develop in Aruba based on demand in South America and the knowledge present in Europe on different sectors of sustainable energy, sustainable mining, sustainable agriculture, waterworks, building of large airports and harbors, and also in the area of tourism. What is the other important opportunity is from Latin America towards the EU. That group that we just mentioned, we are looking for industries and institutions of the EU to establish in Aruba and utilize our geographic strategic location, our knowledge of the business culture within the region, and so we could be kind of the translator for the investments and the approach from EU institutions and companies towards Latin America. And the other direction, we see a big opportunity, and here is where EU as an institution can play an important role, is that we see an opportunity for Aruba to develop itself as a knowledge industry, knowledge center for Latin American countries that want to know more about EU before they make the step that they go themselves to Brussels, Denmark, Germany, Czech, or somewhere in the Netherlands to find partners in the business sector or to find strategic partnership for institutions, universities. They need to do some primarily exploration, and Aruba could be their first stop.
That you have kind of gained, inherited, gift of God, the very privileged geographical position, but you, in an amazing way, elaborated on that. I mean, on the top of the level of development, on the top of the level of political stability, the deep democracy you have, and what I said, you are very exceptionally for the Caribbean language-wise equipped. I mean, everybody speaks either 3 or 4 languages. Some of them are world languages.
Czech, we don't speak yet.
No, that's okay. I can easily adjust to you. What I want to say that your knowledge of English and Spanish and Dutch towards Europe, because Flemish is the second language of Brussels, I would say, it's a unique advantage that you have towards this precisely hub, both ways from South America up and down, from Europe to South America. I mean, I would, in other words, mention word CRITI, which is an acronym for Caribbean Regional Institute for Translation and Interpretation. It resides in your brotherly also Suriname, and it's been recently established in 2009, heavily funded by the EU, because of the fact that the majority of the citizens of CARICOM, they simply speak one language. In the English-speaking Caribbean, they speak English. In Haiti, they speak French, full stop. In Suriname, they speak English-French, that's kind of better. In Dominican Republic, prevailingly, some people speak English, but they speak mainly Spanish. So this kind of automatic, we have country, which is not the EU member, it's Switzerland in Europe, this automatic 3 or 4 languages, knowledge or domination, it's